From the moment an apple lets go of a branch, an invisible pull takes over. This pull is gravity, the quiet force that shapes how everything moves, from falling fruit to entire worlds circling in the dark. As the apple falls, it speeds up toward Earth. Gravity accelerates it, not because Earth wants it, but because every bit of mass attracts every other bit of mass, tugging quietly through empty space. Now zoom out. Earth itself is like a gigantic apple compared to the sun. The same gravity that pulls fruit down keeps Earth curving around the sun instead of flying off in a straight, lonely path. Gravity acts like a cosmic sculptor. It gathers drifting gas into stars, shapes planets from dust, and gently locks moons into orbit, turning random clouds of matter into organized systems over time. Imagine the fabric of space as a stretched sheet. Place a heavy sphere on it. The sheet curves. Planets move along these curves, not because something pulls sideways, but because straight paths bend in curved space. CAD. Back on Earth, gravity holds oceans to the planet and keeps the air wrapped around us. Waves crash, clouds drift, mountains stand firm, all because this constant downward pull never switches off. When you jump, you briefly escape, but only a little. Gravity slows you at the top of your leap and pulls you back. The same rule applies to rockets. Reach enough speed and you can keep falling around Earth. From falling apples to spinning planets, gravity connects our everyday world to the vast universe. Each step you take and every star you see are linked by this one invisible, universal force.